Oh yes, thanks for joining in today's video, everybody. My name is Sam and we are My Home Project. We are a company based in Brighton, East Sussex, and we build all types of outbuildings, whether it's home offices, gyms, saunas, playrooms, home cinemas, whatever you might think, we can build it for you. So in today's video, I just want to explain a bit about the design process and how we price our structures. We try and be as transparent with you as possible throughout the whole construction process, from design inception all the way through to handing over the keys. So what goes into that? If you are watching this video, you have probably already seen our website. And if you have, then hopefully you're already interested in your own outbuilding. So do reach out, hello@myhomeproject.co.uk, or send us a message through the website. The first port of call will be to come and meet you. Find out exactly what you want from your garden room, what you're going to use it for, how long you want to have it there, whether you might want to move it at a certain stage and lift it up with a crane and take it to your next property, if you plan on sleeping in it, all of the different types of use case scenarios. And then from there, we can start to get an idea of how we're going to build your building. We can find out what type of finish you would like. We can show you some examples, either anthracite sheeting or timber or composite, whatever type of cladding you might like on the outside. And then of course, whatever finish you would like on the inside, whether you would like the bare raw sit panels or perhaps a white painted plasterboard. However you might like it finished on the inside as well, we can also facilitate that. We can talk about the land, where you're having it, if it's on a slope, potentially what type of foundations we can use, different lengths of ground screws. Perhaps you have an existing garage and you want to remove to build your structure on, we can use adjustable pedestals. Once we've had a discussion about what you would like, I will then do a 3D scan of the area in your garden, and then I can take that home and put it into my software on the computer and superimpose our 3D model of your new digital garden room onto the 3D scan. And then you can see it exactly in context what you're going to get. From there, I produce a PDF. I outline the specification exactly down to the amount of electrical sockets that you're going to have in the garden room. And then I can present you with the cost, a clear specification, what you're going to get. And then you can be rest assured there's not going to be any unexpected surprises at the end of the project. If, of course, you did want to make any design changes throughout the process of the construction, that is absolutely fine. Nothing is set in concrete. Do just let us know with enough notice. If you would like to make any changes to the finishes, of course, you can do that. If you would like us to add plug sockets, or perhaps you've forgotten to add internet cable to your home office, we can, of course, do that as well. And we will outline exactly how much extra that may cost if you did want to add anything to your build. So typically you will know exactly what you're getting for your money, and then if you approve us and you would like to go ahead with us, then you can pay your deposit and we can typically start on site within 2 to 3 weeks. 2 to 3 weeks is usually what it takes for us to get the windows ordered and our SIPs ordered. We can also book in a ground screw contractor if we need to, or we can install the adjustable pedestals ourselves if you already have a slab there. Typically from then on, depending on the size, if you're having, let's say, a 4.5, 5 meter by 3.5, 4 meter garden room, we should have the superstructure up. Definitely under 2 weeks, we will be watertight. And then from then, probably another 2 or 3 weeks until we are completely finished and we can hand over the keys. I hope you've enjoyed this video, everybody. I hope it gives you an understanding of the design and the construction process that we go through at My Home Project. If you need planning permission, if you would like a lawful development certificate, we can get all of that sorted. Even if you would like building regs approval, we can do everything all in-house. My wife, Gabby, is an architect. I am a structural engineer, so we can provide a holistic envelope for your project, and that limits costs and that limits time. So do get in touch for an efficient service. Thanks again for joining in today's video, and we'll see you in the next one.